is my second video of the same chapter, People Who Made Differences. We will start from the social reformer. In first video, we will discuss about the religions. Social reform, there are many evil practices who take root in our society time to time. Brave people fought against such practices and helped to improve society. Such people are called social reformer. So first we will discuss about the Kabir. He fought against caste system and the importance given to ritual by Hindus and Muslim priests. This message of love and harmony spread through bhajan, poems, and which is known as dohas. Raja Ram Mohan Rai, he was born in Bengal about 250 years ago. He fought against the evils of child marriage, caste system, and the sati pratha. Ramabai Ranade, she was a social reformer of Maharashtra. She worked to improve the condition of women in India. Now we will discuss kings. There are so many kings in our India. There, there are so many kings who influence the life of others with their good deeds. Some of them have done remarkable work for the society. First is Emperor Ashoka. Ashoka was an ambitious person. He wanted to be a great conqueror. He won many battles, but after the winning of the famous battle of Kalinga, he became very upset. He was very sad to see the thousands of the dead and injured soldier in the battle. This became a turning point in his life. He gave up the war and followed the path of non-violence. He became the follower of Gautam Buddha and helped to spread the Gautam Buddha's message of non-violence. He did a lot of work for the welfare of the society. He built free hospitals, dharamshalas, well and tanks for the people. He was a kind and wise king because because of his courage, kindness and wisdom. He became famous as Ashoka the Great. Second, we will discuss Krishnadev Rai. About 500 years ago, Krishnadev Rai ruled in South India. He worked for the welfare of the people. In his kingdom, the people were free to follow whatever the religion they wanted. He encouraged artists, poets, and the writers. Emperor Akbar. Akbar ruled in India about 400 years ago. He respected all the religion. He took interest in art, music, and literature and encouraged it. He is remembered as a great ruler. Scientist. Scientists, science. Science was well developed. In India from the ancient time. Mathematics, astronomy, and medicine were well developed science. The decimal system of the number was developed in India. The Ayurveda system of medicine, which is still popular, was developed in India 1000 years ago. Surgery treatment of the medicine was also performed in ancient India. The study of the stars and solar system was also well developed. Aryabhat. Aryabhat was the great mathematician and the astronomer of the ancient India. He has given the concept of zero, without which modern computer technology would have been non existence. And he was famous astronomer. He was the great astronomer also. Now Charak was very famous physician. Sushruta was a surgeon, and Charak was known as the crowned as the father of the medicine. And the Sushruta, he was a founding father of surgery. Many famous Indian scientists has done a great work in development of modern world, such as one of them is J.C. Bose. He discovered the power of feeling in plant. He invented crystallography, which is used to measure the growth of plants. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, he is considered as the nuclear father of the Indian nuclear program. He gave India to its first nuclear power. Vikram Sarabhai, he initiated the research and helped develop nuclear power in India. He established Indian National Committee for Space Research, which was renamed later as the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO). S. Chandrasekhar, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, he was an astronomer. He is known for his work on the theoretical structure and evolution of stars. C.V. Raman, he won Nobel Prize in 1930 in the physics for his discovery of the Raman effect, which was based on light. APJ Abdul Kalam, he was a great scientist. Some of his famous inventions are Nandini Pokhran 2, indigenous guided missile, lightweight calipers, etc. He directed to the project of India first satellite, ballistic missile, etc. Later he became the president of India. Now Nobel Prize. It is an international award which is given by the Nobel Foundation of Sweden for the excellence of the work since 1901. It has been given in field of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, peace and economic. C.V. Raman was awarded of the Nobel Prize for the physics in 1930 and S. Chandrasekharan in 1983. Rabindranath Tagore got the Nobel Prize for the literature in 1913. Kailash Satyarthi won the Nobel Prize Prize of 2014, which he started with Malala Yousafzai, which he shared with Malala Yousafzai of Pakistan.